All right, let's dive right into this week's top stories in the AI and marketing space. First up, LinkedIn has shared some fascinating insights about how B2B marketers are adopting AI. It's based on their newest survey, and no surprises here, AI adoption is growing rapidly. But what's interesting is how these brands are using AI to craft hyper-targeted campaigns and to analyze data faster than ever. It's clear if you're not investing in AI-driven marketing strategies, you might already be falling behind. Next, a report from Marketing Profs reveals which AI-powered tactics seem to work best. For marketers, this is like striking gold. The survey dug into which tools and strategies provide the highest ROI. Turns out personalization in campaigns and predictive analytics top the list. AI solutions are starting to make marketers not just faster, but smarter, you know? Then OpenAI dropped something big: new DIY agent tools. These let businesses build their own AI agents from scratch that can handle tasks like web browsing or even file management. Custom bots that don't just think, but act autonomously. That's a game changer for teams that need flexible tools. On the other side of the coin, here's a concerning one. AI-generated search results, according to a new report, cite incorrect sources about 60% of the time. 60%. Now, that's a pretty eye-opening failure rate. It's a reminder that as incredible as the technology is, there's still a lot of work to be done to ensure reliability. And speaking of issues, there's this growing problem called AI slop, mucking up everything on the internet. Just cluttering it up with a flood of poor-quality, machine-generated content. Stanford researchers are estimating that a staggering amount of writing online might be from AI. It's making it harder to sift through what's useful, you know? But let's end this section on a high note. Captions from NYC released an AI tool they call Mirage. It's designed to create insanely realistic ad campaigns, and the results are eerily lifelike. The precision in visuals and messaging could give brands an entirely new way to engage their audiences. It's fascinating. Definitely worth keeping an eye on. All right, let's shift gears and focus on our main feature this week, Manus AI. Now, Manus AI is a truly groundbreaking marketing automation agent. It's coming out of China and making big waves across the globe. What makes it stand out isn't just its ability to handle mundane tasks. No, Manus AI goes well beyond that. It has the capacity to create entire marketing workflows from, get this, a single prompt. It's not just responding to instructions, it's thinking through the entire process and executing complex strategies. That's honestly next-level automation. To give you a sense of its potential, MarketWiz AI hosted a live demo that showcased Manus AI designing and building a custom B2B prospecting tool from scratch. Imagine this. You input your business requirements, and the Manus AI agent then builds a dashboard tailored for a tech consulting firm targeting startups. It automatically collects data, identifies fast-growing companies, and even integrates with tools like HubSpot. And all of this happens in real time. It's amazing. It's like having a marketing team housed within one AI tool. If you're curious to see more, there's something called the Manus AI Use Case Gallery. It's this excellent resource where you can explore different ways this tool can transform marketing strategies. You can find everything from case studies to examples of how businesses are putting Manus AI to work. For the full details, I highly recommend heading over to our post at aimarketingweekly.beehive.com. It's all there, super easy to find and dive into. Let's round things off by looking at some of the tools and tutorials featured in this week's AI marketing highlights. First, OpenAI's new DIY agent tools are making quite the impression. These are designed for marketers like us to build custom AI solutions that can automate workflows. From designing tailored bots to optimizing entire campaigns, these tools open up creative possibilities unlike anything we've seen before. When it comes to new AI tools, this week's roundup included some that really stood out. Ad Creative AI, for instance, helps generate ad creatives that outperform competitors, while AdRoll brings full funnel optimization to your campaigns. On the video side, Creatify AI makes creating short-form videos a smooth process. Need dynamic landing pages? There's PageVibe for that. Check out this week's recommendations in our newsletter for more. For those of you looking to roll up your sleeves, the tutorials in this week's newsletter are excellent. From strategies to outsmart Google Ads to leveraging generative AI to optimize ad scripts, there's something here for everyone. One that caught my eye is the tutorial on using ChatGPT's deep research for marketing. It's a core skill that will keep you on top of your market and uncover insights you didn't know you were missing. Finally, we share 5 case studies documenting how companies like Smartsheet and Exactly are using ZoomInfo's AI tools to up their game. It's a masterclass in real-world AI applications. And that brings us to the end of this week's episode. I hope this roundup gave you plenty to think about as you continue to build your own marketing capabilities. Thanks for tuning in, and don't be a stranger. If you like our newsletter, then please share our website, aimarketingweekly.beehive.com, with your colleagues. I'll see you next week on B2B Marketing with AI. Take care and have a great week.